Hey YouTubers, we're doing ham and cheese grill, melt the cheese and grill. We're gonna grill some sandwiches, ham and cheese sandwiches. I'm doing let's get the grill going. And we're doing these granite pans. We're showing you these granite pans. Yesterday we did French toast on the flat one, and today we're gonna do some cheese melts. I'm doing ham and Swiss, and my son wants ham with American cheese. So we're heating up the pan here, and we got things going. We just got to get this butter going, and we're gonna get our butter on these bars so we can get that grilled effect on the bread. So I've only used this pan once or twice. I think my wife used it a couple of times. So we're going to see how we get the grilled effect on here. And this is called GraniteStone. And we have not only the pans, we also have the GraniteStone, the smaller pans, the small one, and these. And we've used these quite a bit, and everything's just blasts right off. And the handles are really tough, and the bottom of these pans are lovely. The bottom's really, really thick, and the problem I've always had with these inexpensive pans is once you wash them a few times, they start to warp the bottom, and then when you put it on a glass top counter, it just doesn't cook well if it's not flat against the glass. So, here we go. Oh, we're going. All right, let's get some bread on there.
You should probably not, like, you know.
And let's lower it down a little bit because we're not keeping up with it. And let's get some ham on there. This is the Hillshire ham. That's good to break these slices up some, huh? 2, 3. Let's do, how about 5? How's that sound? That's a healthy sandwich. 5. So now we're pressing it down. We're going to get that grilled effect on there. 3, 4, and we'll do 5 each. And Alex is having American cheese, and I'm going to have Swiss cheese. Top it off here. Press it down here. That's good. Now, let's get some more butter on here, and we'll check out the bottom here. We're really going to have it nice and grill it up nice here. Let's get back up here a little more. Oh, it's just starting to get grilled there, huh? Oh, that one went a little more. It's starting to look good, huh? What do you think?
Yep.
What do you think, Tiger?
What?
You looking good?
Yep.
All right, let's get some plates ready. And you watch these electric ovens. Sometimes they turn it down a little bit. Sometimes they get going on you. We want that butter to soak into the bread, and this is going to be yummy. Yummy, yummy. So this is a ham and cheese, grilled cheese sandwich. And how could you not like it, huh? How could you not like it? Nah, sure, I'm thinking a minute or 2 more. Got a hair in there. And I'll get my cup of tea ready. We due for a flip there?
Sure.
Keep flipping it because you don't want to surprise. Oh, it's all burnt on the other side. So you want to keep tossing it over, and you want to get it good. You want to make sure the cheese is good and melted and everything's done. This is my super-sized cup of tea. 2 cups of tea in one. All right, I think it's done. What do you think, Tiger?
Yep.
All right. I like that.
Yeah, that's good.
Now let's pop it on the plates there. And like I say, let these pans cool up on the side here. Don't go throwing them underwater, because that's what warps up your pan. And you wonder why your pan is wobbling on your stove, glass top stove. So do that thing down below. Cut. Okay, here we go. How's the grilled cheese melt? How's the grilled cheese melt?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. That's it.
Just don't put too much ham.
Okay. Cut.